to learn about data and bar graphs. So, hi, my name is Angelica Scott, and with the help of Mr. Smith's third grade class from Orchard Elementary School, we are going to learn about data and bar graphs. So, who can tell me what data is? William.
Information, something that tells information that was collected.
Very good. Okay, so I want y'all to look at this chart, and this chart has a key that tells you that teachers are blue, dentists are yellow, nurses are red, doctors are green, and lawyers are purple. So this chart is information about what students want to be when they grow up. So to read this chart, for a teacher, you would come and find the blue, and then you would come across and find the number, 121. So 121 students want to be teachers. Then for a dentist, dentist is yellow. So you'd come down to yellow, come across, and 79 students want to be dentists. And the same thing for a nurse, come across red to 130. The same thing for a doctor, green, 105. And the same thing for a lawyer, purple, 85. Okay? So, on this one it says, what career was the most common? So the most common, we're looking for the highest number. So we look here and we see 121. And we go across, and 121 is blue. And so we look over here, and blue is teacher. So we would push C for teacher. With the help of Mr. Smith's third grade class from Orchard Elementary, we are going to learn about data and bar graphs. So who can tell me what data is? William.
It's information that is collected.
Good. Okay, so on this bar graph, we are looking at different colors, and each color, it represents different careers: teacher, dentist, nurse, doctor, and lawyer. So we would go to blue, which is a teacher, and go across and see that there's 121 students who want to be a teacher. Then you could go to doctor, which is green, go across, and you can see that 105 students want to be doctors. So the question is, what career was the most common? So we go down the list of numbers, and 130 students want to be a nurse. So that is red, and right here it shows that red is a nurse. Okay, this is a different kind of graph. Now the graph is going up and down, and we are looking at drink preferences. So we have grape, mango, cocoa, apple, and milk. And you want to make sure when you're looking at the bars that you go to the top of the colors and go straight across and not go down or up, so you'll get the exact number. Okay? So, how many students prefer mango? So we look for mango, and mango is right here in the red, and we take our finger and go all the way across, and 25 students prefer mango. Okay? So now it's y'all's turn. Okay, so we are looking at a bar graph that is back about the teachers and the dentists and the doctors, so what career choices. And the question is, what was the least common career chosen? Number 7.
D.
D? A lawyer. Okay, so you came to purple and went across, and D is 85. Is that the smallest number of students that wanted to be a lawyer on the chart? No? Okay, let's try it again. Number 4.
Dentist.
Dentist. So yellow. You came across, and 79 students wanted to be a dentist. So that is the smallest number, so that's correct. Good job. Okay, let's do one more. the graph is going back up and down, and this is ice cream preference. We have cherry, vanilla, cocoa, mango, pecan, and berry. Okay? Which flavor is like the least? Number 12. Number 8.
There.
Berry. Okay. So we come down here, and berry is the smallest block, and we take our finger all the way across, and we see the number 10. So number 10 is the smallest, so that's correct. Good job. Okay. Okay. So now we're going back up here and to question 5. 85 students choose which career? So we're looking for the number 85, and we'll find it down here. And next to 85 is purple, and so we'll go over here to our key, and purple is lawyer. So the answer would be B. Okay? All right, we're back to the ice cream preference. Which flavor is as popular as mango? Number 19.
Cherry.
Cherry? Okay, so we're looking for mango, and which one is just as popular as mango. So you find mango, and you'll run your finger across, and you run into cherry, which is at the same height, and that's 35. So good job. Try another one. Okay, which flavors are equal? Number 14.
Cherry and mango.
Good. Mango and cherry are at the same level. You'll go up here to 35, and if you come across, you'll run into cherry, and you'll run into mango. Okay. 121 students chose which career? So we're looking for the number 121, and what color goes over here in the key. Number 9.
Teacher.
A teacher. Okay, so you found 121, and you looked, and it was in the blue category, and you come over here, and you'll see teacher. And that would be B. Okay, so let's review. William told us what data was, and so we have the drink preference again. So who can tell me the drink preference that everybody preferred the most? Number 13.
Cocoa.
Cocoa? Good. So you came up to the highest number that had a bar, and you came across, and cocoa hits that bar. One more. Okay, so we're back to the career choices. And if I asked you which career choice was the least likely to be chosen by a group of students, which one would you say? 12.
Yeah.
Okay. 10. 79. Okay, what correlates with 79?
Yellow.
Okay, so now we're going to review what we've gone over. And right now we have data that is collected about the drink choices. So number 8. How do we decide what number goes with each drink choice?
Because it's on the side.
The number on the side. Okay, good. What do we do with the number on the side? Okay, now we're going to review everything that we've learned. So who can tell me the data that has been collected in this bar graph? Justin.
Favorite drinks.
Favorite drinks. Okay, good job. So number 8. If I asked you, how can you tell the number of students that picked each drinks, what would you tell me?
Look at the side.
Look at the side, and they're numbered, and so you would go up each number and come across and pick each drink. Okay? So who can tell me how many students like apple? Number 1.
35.
Okay, so you came apple, which is yellow, came straight across to 35. Good. Who can tell me the least favorite drink? Number 17.
Milk.
Milk. Good. You came down to milk and went all the way across, and only 15 students like milk, and milk is the shortest bar. Okay? Let's do one more review question. Okay. Who can tell me the data that is collected in this bar graph? Dentarius. What's been collected, Dentarius?
Teeth. Short. Short.
Uh-huh. What'd you say?
Short students.
What was chosen by the students?
Careers.
Careers? Good. Okay. So who can tell me what this box over here represents? It has the colors and the kind of careers. Number 6.
The key.
The key. Okay, good. What does the key tell us?
What colors are the numbers?
Okay, what colors are the numbers? And what else does the key tell us over here? What are these?
The colors of the people.
Of the careers. Okay, good. So if I asked what was the least favorite career chosen, number 5. The least.
Dentist.
Dentist, okay, so we would come to dentist, which is yellow, come all the way across, and we would see 79, and 79 is the smallest number on the chart. Okay, who can tell me the career choice that was the second to the greatest? So not the greatest, but the one after that. Number 3.
Teacher.
Teacher, okay. What color's teacher?
Blue.
Blue, so you came to blue, came all the way across to 121, and 121 is the second largest number on the bar graph. Very good. Okay, this has been Mr. Smith's 3rd grade class at Orchard Elementary, and we just learned how to read bar graphs that with data that has been collected.